Very easy, healthy and yummy tomato with tofu stew. So I love tomatoes and I love to cook tomatoes in different ways. And today I'm making the stew of tofu and tomatoes. I need tomatoes, plenty of it, and soft tofu and garlic, scallion, and also if you have chicken stock, by all means use it. I do not have chicken stock and I'm using Ikan Bilis Stock cube. For my vegetarian friend, you can use vegetable stock or just plain water, optional. And also green onion to garnish, salt and pepper. That's it. Very easy, simple and yummy and healthy. Let's start. My very easy, yummy and healthy tomato with tofu stew. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome week.